Hello, dear students. You are welcome to the class of numerical skill. Our topic for today is solution of simultaneous equations with the help of matrices. Solution of simultaneous equations. That means finding the value of x, y given in an equations. But here we are finding the value of x, y by using matrices. So let us check how it is. So here it is an equation. It is given here. It is a simultaneous equation. 2x minus 3y equal to 3, 4x minus y equal to 11. So here x, y values, these are the unknowns. So we need to find the value of x, y by using matrices. Let us check how it is. So first, as the first step, we need to express the given equation in a format of matrix equation. We need to convert the given equation into matrix equation. So for that one, we need to find or generate three matrices out of these given equations. The three matrices are A, X, and B. So, and it should be kept in the format AX equal to B. So let us check what is matrix A, what it is matrix X, and what is matrix B. So here matrix A is the matrix of coefficients. So coefficients, we know it is a number which multiplying with the variables in the given equation. So here it is 2 minus 3, 4 minus 1. Minus y equal to minus 1y. So these are the coefficients in the given equations. The number multiplying with the variables. So it is taken as here 2 minus 3, 4 minus 1. So this is the first matrix A. Then the second matrix, it is matrix X. It means the matrix of unknowns. Here we know there is only two unknown values, X and Y. So this is the second matrix, HY. And the third matrix, it is B. So it is a matrix of RHS or constants. In the given equation, these are the constant values or RHS, right hand side figures, 3 and 11. So these are the three matrices, A, H, and B. So thus we need to create three matrices out of the given simultaneous equations as the first step. So then H is equal to B. So from this we need to find the value of HY. Here HY is the components or elements of the matrix H. So we need to find the value of H. By finding the value of X matrix, we can find the value of HY elements. So here H is equal to AH is equal to B. So H is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse into B. So this is the equation to find the value of X. A inverse, we know how to find the inverse of A, and B it is already given here. We need to multiply the matrix of A inverse into B. Thus we can find the value of HY or unknown values. So let us check how it is. Here it is given matrix of A or coefficient matrix. It is already discussed, and the matrix of unknowns and the matrix of RHS. So we are solving this question itself. Here X equal to B. If we are representing the given matrices in the format of X is equal to B, it looks like this one. So this one is matrix A and this one is matrix X. By multiplying this A into X, it is equal to B, matrix B. So our equation, we know X is equal to A inverse into B. So X is equal to B. This is the matrix equation. So this is the first step. Whenever we are getting a simultaneous equation, you need to convert it into a matrix equation. This is the format X is equal to B. Then our equation, it is to find the value of X is equal to A inverse into B. So A inverse, first we need to find the value of A inverse. B already given here. So A inverse equation, we know adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. All these topics we were already discussed. Adjoint and the determinant of A. So A, it is this one. This is the matrix A. So we need to find the adjoint of this one. and the determinant of A, determinant value of this matrix itself. Thus, we can find the A inverse. So, let us check. So, first we are finding the determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to A, this one, 2 minus 3, 4 minus 1. So, by calculating the determinant value, it will be 10. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 1, minus 4 into minus 3, minus 12. So that is equal to minus 2 minus into minus 12. It will become plus. So minus 2 plus 12 is equal to 10. So determinant value it is 10. Then we need to find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to, adjoint we know it is the transpose of cofactor matrix. So this one is the matrix A. We need to find the cofactor of each element. So cofactor of 1 1, that means cofactor of 2, the first element, it will be minus 1. How it is calculated? We know it is minus 1 whole raised to 1 plus 1. The number of rows and number of columns, 1 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So minus 1 whole square into its diagonal factor, it is minus 1. So minus 1 whole square into minus 1 is equal to 1 into minus 1, it is minus 1. Thus we need to find the cofactor of second element, cofactor of third element, and the cofactor of last element. So it is like this: minus 1, minus 4, then 3, then 2. So then adjoint of A will be the transpose of this cofactor matrix or cofactor elements. So minus 1, minus 4 taken as the first column, then 3, 2, it is the second column. So both the elements, determinant we already calculated as 10 and the adjoint of A also calculated. This one is the adjoint. Thus we can find the inverse. So let us check. H is equal to A inverse into B. This is the equation. So we calculated inverse first. Adjoint of A is equal to, this in the previous slide, minus 1, 3, minus 4, 2. And the determinant, it is 10. Okay. So A inverse is equal to minus 1, 3, minus 4, 2 divided by 10. That means we need to divide each element by 10. That means minus 1 by 10, it will be minus 0.1. 3 by 10, 0.3. Minus 4 by 10, minus 0.4. 2 by 10, 0.2. So this one is A inverse. So then we need to multiply this A inverse with B. Then only we get the value of X. So X is equal to B. X is equal to A inverse into B. X is equal to HY. This is the second matrix, that it is X, HY. A inverse we already calculated. It is like this. Minus 0.1, 0.3, minus 0.4, 0.2. Then B is equal to this one, 3, 11. 3, 11. So HY is equal to, so H means HY. X is equal to A inverse into, A inverse it is already here, minus 0.1, 0.3, minus 0.4, 0.2 into B. B it is this one, 3, 11. So by multiplication we know each row must be multiplied with each column. Minus 0.1 into 3, it is like here, xy is equal to minus 0.1 into 3. That means minus 0.3 plus 3.3 into 11. That means 3.3. So first row with the first column is over. Then second row with the first column. 0.4 into 3. So minus 1.2 plus 0.2 into 11, 2.2. So 3, 1. Point minus 0.3 plus 3.3. It is 3. 1 minus 1.2 plus 2.2. It is 1. So this is the value of x 3 and this is the value of y. So this is the way to find the value of x, y or the unknowns in a given equation by using matrices. Okay, thank you. Thank you all.